Dave with American Pride Mechanical. If Ruud's AC units are good enough for my house, they're good enough for you. Here's an example of an RA 1660 and 1630, which is a 5 and a 2.5 ton condensing unit. Listen to how quiet it is. Reliability. And no condensing unit is complete without an air handler. For example, this RH1T 3617. Also, with the 4-inch filter rack that most nobody ever uses, that keeps it a standard filter, which can be used in either 1 or 2-inch applications. Slide in, slide out, slide in. And it also has the rails for the 1-inch applications that can be removed, and you can have 2-inch filtration for optimal efficiencies. Also, all this stuff is available at Tropic Supply, where you can get the drain pans, your float switches, your stand, your trusty 4-inch filter rack with standard filters, all supplied from Tropic Supply. And with salesmen like Alex Garrido, and Ishmael, and Hector, and Derek, and a delivery team like John Youngblood and his men of delivery drivers at T20, you can't go wrong with the Tropic way. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.